The good thing about birds is they poop when they take off.
Huh. And the thing about birds is they poop when they take off. Okay.
So they don't poop on you when they fly over.
Right. Well, what about if they're sitting on your shoulder?
Crows bomb you.
My sister used to have a parakeet and it would poop on your shoulder.
Uh-oh, look at the water. Look at the water. They're bombing the water, man.
What is that stuff?
It's rain.
It's sweat. Ooh, I just got something in my hair. I'm serious. I felt that.
Oh, man.
Hey,
Big
for
old
cover.
purple blob.
Yeah, I'm slipping around. Now I'm slipping and sliding and stuff, too. That was pretty cool. Here comes some more. Another wave. That's what, 4 million now? Wow, that's a lot of birds.
Oh my god, dude.
That is a lot of birds.
Anyone?
Huh?
Anyone seen that?
What?
We had a bite and didn't
Like, I
know
just
it.
see one go all the way from the top and go.
Nick, you missed a bite, son. You goofed.
I did now.
Where'd Corey go? There he is.